Alright, we got the two locomotives ES40 and a pair of ES44 and 40DC locomotive. Right now it's already passed, so we're not gonna make it in time. Just in time in about 3 seconds there. So similar to that train is the Csx L154. Let's see, 12. Eastbound local freight train. That train originates from often works from the Clarksburg, Grafton, and Bergville, near outside from Fairmont, West Virginia. The works on the schedule and the turning switches on daily from Monday through Friday. Works on this train while en route. Something was wrong with the horn, though, on es40dc locomotive gevo unit. So, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central and Southern West Virginia radio fan, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em. Make sure to go to Josh Ryan Discount Store on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So, signing off. Out.